Hey, it's Jacob with Platinum Pressure Washing here, and we're about to clean up another dirty driveway, and we'll let you in a little bit of the process. First thing we're going to do is pre-treat all this with the soap, and this one's bad, it needs it. We don't always have to do that, but this time we will. Soap on the driveway, you want to make sure you kind of get that edge from the outside in so you're not spraying your soap chemicals directly on the grass. Wet the grass down first too. Pre-soak the grass around the edges of the driveway. Any of the bushes that you think you might get some overspray on, that should be good. Got a nice soaked driveway here. Alright, we've let that set in a little bit and started washing it. Pretreat helps really good. That's Dylan, employee of the month right there. Only employee right now, actually. Employee of the month every month. Alright, everything's been rinsed off, and we're just going to do a little bit of post-treat, get rid of those lines there. It was a real filthy driveway, so that does happen sometimes, but we know how to take care of that. We don't leave it like that. Alright, now what we're going to do is get rid of all this mold and algae that didn't come up with pressure washing. It's hard to get it up with just pressure. There's enough pressure to get that up, you're going to tear up the concrete pretty bad. So we put a little mix on there and watch it disappear. Alright, we got the post-treat done, and as you can see, it looks a lot better, and I think they're going to be pretty happy. Remember, like, subscribe, all that mess.